Hey folks, welcome to the Inbound Revenue channel. This is Inbound Revenue. You can find us at inboundrevenue.com. If you have any Google Ads questions at all, reach out to us. We're here to help. If you have any thoughts on this video or videos that you'd like us to do on another region and niche for Google Ads, drop that in the comments below. Look forward to hearing from you. In this video, in our competition series, we're looking at the region of Tampa. We're targeting Tampa, Lakeland, Clearwater, St. Petersburg, and we're looking at the HVAC niche. I keep thinking every niche is more competitive than the last, and once again, this is true. There's 55 competitors in this region. You can see the ad schedule. We run one 24-hour period, and we target a specific set of keywords in a specific location. You can see that there are over 20 ads running pretty much all day in the region, up to 26 at the most. Let's see which keywords I targeted. So we targeted air conditioning companies near me, HVAC companies near me, HVAC installers, HVAC contractors, HVAC companies, best air conditioning company, and that's a popular search down here in Florida, best HVAC company, air conditioning contractor, etc., etc. So solid keywords. You can see there's a lot of search volume for all of them. Let's look and see which advertisers were most aggressive, most present in this market. So the first one we have is halesac.us, expert to home, grade plumbing, 1 hour, and on and on. Let's see if we have any of the national players in here, such as I don't see, the type of, the home, what is it, Home Source or whatever, all the usual Thumbtack and all that up here. Well, Lowe's is in here. That's interesting. But it looks like and there's Home Depot, Orange Lowe's. So it looks like, moved me a little bit. Click here. Let's take a look at the top three. This is Hales AC. Let's look at some of their ads. Flat rate pricing. I like that in their headline. HVAC company near me. You gotta like that. I like that in one of their extensions. $3,000 off new AC, and an address right there. So I like that. Those numbers. That's great. Open 24/7, 365. That's beautiful. I really like $25 off for booking online. I really like their ad copy. Pops off at you a little bit with some numbers. Let's take a look at the landing page they drive us to. Not surprised. Great landing page. Click to book online. Click to phone. Customer reviews. I mean, it's super brief, but it's branded. It's beautiful. Very well done. Very well done. Let's take a look at number 2 in this market. Number 2 in this market is Expert Home Service. Let's look at their ads. They are a BBB accredited HVAC repair company. Recommended best option for you. Can't beat BBB, Better Business Bureau. They have some extensions in use here. AC repair company, top AC. I like the ad copy. They're pretty aggressive there. And let's see where they take you to. Takes you to a decent landing page. Phone number. Book now in seconds. Contact us. Lots of calls to action. Comfort engineers. You got to love a comfort engineer. Yeah, good stuff. No complaints there. And they better be good because they are in a super competitive niche. By the way, if you need help with that super competitive niche with your Google ads in any way, shape, or form, reach out to us. Let's see what Grable Plumbing is doing here. Tampa, same day HVAC, family owned and operated. Not terrible. Not a lot of creativity, but 24/7 HVAC service repair. A lot of family owned and operated. That can be kind of a good thing, I guess. I don't see the numbers and things in their ads, but that we saw in some of the others. Let's take a look at their landing page. They're going to send it to this landing page. Good, not bad. It's got a little form. It's got a phone number. References their BBB. So yeah, that's not too bad at all. So I would say that if you want to get into the, if you want to run ads in the Tampa market, it's going to be very competitive. You got 55 advertisers. And if you need help with that, you know where to go. Inbound revenue. This is Mark. If you have any questions, once again, drop them in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.